How to transfer money from Pandabuy to bank account. So first open the Pandabuy website and logged in. If you haven't logged in yet, then log in, or if you don't have any account, then create one. So after that, go to this profile icon, click on it, and then click on wallet. So after coming into wallet section, as you can see, we have some fund here. So how can we transfer this money from Pandabuy to a bank account? So how we can do it? For your information, Pandabuy only allows you to transfer money from Pandabuy to a bank account if you only have initiate mode of payment was through bank account. So if your initiate mode of payment was through bank account, then you can transfer money from Pandabuy to your bank account. So for that, as you can see, here's the refund button. Just click on that refund button. So now you have to select the amount what you want to transfer that into your bank account. So as you can see, there are two checked in option. We will select one and press on the thing. If you click on refund, if you have initially make this payment through a bank account, then the money will automatically go and return to your bank account. What about the original bank account is? So that was a simple process how to transfer money from Pandabuy to your bank account, and thanks for watching.